Okay, hello everyone. So this screencast is going to demo some sample speech recognitions of Malayalam language by using the CMU Sphinx. Um, it will be using the language model and acoustic model that I trained during the 3 months of Google Summer of Code. So let me take you to the project repository on GitHub. Once you reach there, um, github.com/code slash yeah. Okay, so this is the base folder of the repository, and almost all the works regarding or regarding the Google Summer of Code is inside this folder. You can probably ignore all of these, and suppose if you do not have all the libraries installed, you have to install all these four before you can train or you can test any of my models or any of the other models. The detailed instructions are given here, or you can get the detailed instructions from the CMU Sphinx download page as well. So yeah, so once you have installed those four libraries, and after cloning, the repository is supposed to be around 500 to 600 MB, because there is a lot of training data files which I'll get into in a bit of time. So this is the base directory. A brief explanation of what all these folders are given here in this readme. The first two folders, that is the AM and LM, are the development folders where the corresponding language model and acoustic model were developed. The final result is inside the output folder, and some of the test cases or some of the testing results that I got corresponding to each speaker that I trained for are given inside this. So you can see this test results to improve the accuracy. It clearly shows where the recognition is going wrong. For example, if I go into this folder that is of Akhil, and if I take this file, this is the hypothesis align result, and if I go into that, you can see that each sentence and corresponding I don't know if you can see this. Okay, so in here almost all the sentences are corrected, but in cases like this where the accuracy is around 60 or even poor, here there is no accuracy because almost all the words in that sentence had some issues. Now these issues, I believe, is mainly because of the problems while recording, so I think it can be corrected to a major extent by having a cleaner audio. So yeah, you can see each sentence being corrected or inserted or deleted or substituted for another word which have almost similarities, etc. So okay, so coming back to the directory of the base directory, inside that, now then the output folder will have two folders again, just to align everything correctly. But even if you put all these files inside these two folders together, it will still work. So how to use this folder and how to run these models are given inside here. I will give a small demo so that you can understand how this works. Now once you have cloned, go to the local repository, go to the output folder, and in here open the terminal and inside output. Okay, then okay, so this is basically the command that you have to put in to run the model. So the hidden Markov model, or the HMM, is inside the AM folder. The language model is obviously inside the LM folder. Then the dictionary file is as well inside the language model or LM folder. So this parameter here is the in mic is because I'm gonna be testing the recognition using the mic. You can also test the recognition using wave files. I believe it's called in wave or in file. I'm not so sure. I think it's in file, and you have to name the file name here, and you have to put that file name over here or give the appropriate path. And the reason why I'm using the T command here is because the terminal output for Malayalam language is a little bit jagged here and there, so it's not clear for understanding, even though you can understand that most of the sentences, but just an easy way of testing. Okay, so for some reason the first 2-3 recognitions are really weird. So first 2 or 3 lines might be really odd when I run this command, but we shall see. From here on I'm gonna be speaking in Malayalam, so I beg your pardon if anyone can't understand that language. So yeah. ഭ്രമണപഥത്തിൽ നിന്നും പുറത്തേക്ക് പോവാം. As you can see here, some errors are there in the first sentence. Tamasha. നിയമപരമായ അനുമതിയുണ്ട്. മമ്മ അതു നിങ്ങളാ. പൈസ നാളെ തരാം. അതിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥമെന്താണ്? സിനിമയിലെ സംഭവിക്കൂ. മാന്യരെ മഹതികളെ. മറ്റാരെങ്കിലും ചെയ്യുമോ? ഭ്രമണപഥത്തിൽ നിന്നും പുറത്തേക്ക് പോവാം. നീ എന്താണ് പറയുന്നത്? Alright, so yeah, if you can go into this file now, you can see that these are not all of these sentences are correct. I said something else and something else came up, but here and there most of the sentences are correct. Now if I reload, you can see the sentences that I said now. See, ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പം നീ എന്താണ് പറയുന്നത് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞതിൽ ആദ്യത്തെ 2 വാക്കുകൾ തെറ്റുണ്ട്. അപ്പം അത് നിന്നാണ് എന്നാണ് ഇത് റെക്കഗ്നൈസ് ചെയ്തത്. എനിവേയ്സ്, almost okay, that's funny. Okay, alright, that was right. That too was right. It was also right. That one was right as well. That too was right. Okay, until here it was right. But you can see when I go up, that same sentence was corrected. See, it recognized completely correctly. So there are issues here and there, and some odd 500 words are having zero accuracy, and because of those words, almost every sentences will have a little bit of accuracy issues, but it's nonetheless a little bit of progress, I guess. So that's just about it on the demo of how to run the model. If there is any issues, you can go to my blogs and put a comment, and I can surely help you out. Regarding the other folders in here, as I explained, the test folder and output folder. Now coming to the AM folder, basically to train the acoustic model, I will go to the language model first. So To train the language model, first you need to correct or completely get a source file, or the corpus that we call as text file. Now I just took the text file from one of the files that I made using the Malayalam subtitles of films. You can see most of these sentences are regarding the films, like Hugo, Interstellar. There are a lot of sentences that relate to space, etc. So yeah, once you collect the sentence file, it's around, I don't know how many sentences are here over here. Let's go to the line number, the last line. Okay, so 4993. And then by following the documentation of language model training, you will get intermediate files like ML vocab, ML WFREQ. You will have the dictionary file, then the ID and gram, and finally the language models. These two. One is the ARPA model and the other is the binary model. So if you open up the ARPA model, you can see that it's a trigram language model based on a vocabulary of 7043 words. And yeah, so that's what's inside the language model folder development. Inside the acoustic model, there's two folders. This is how we have to follow the development process. You have to set up two folders for acoustic model training, and the other folders will be auto generated while you do different scripts. So inside the etc folder, you have to set up the files from the language model, that is mlbin dictionary file, then that too. Then you have to find the file IDs which maps. All these things are documented in the blog post I wrote, so I'll link those in my final report so that you can find it easily. Inside the wave folder, obviously you have all the speakers, and inside every speaker there is a lot of files, like everything is 16,000 megahertz. I'm sorry, oh my god. Okay, so these files are used to generate the feature computations, and you can skip this folder. It's at least one script that I used to apply the language rules that were already there. So I guess that's it. So thanks to the IndicProject team and my mentor. They have been really supportive on my way to completing this project, and I hope I have met their expectations, or at least I have met the expectations that I gave through my proposal. So yeah, thanks everyone. Hope to see many of you guys in the coming open source projects as well. Bye.